Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna show how basic navigation is done in Jetpack Compose. So let's start. So first, what I will do is add the library, that's the dependency in the gradle.kt file. So the dependency goes over here, which is this one. So you can check whatever the updated version is, and then sync the project. After syncing the project. So now I will create two screens. One is first we'll delete this. So delete all the unnecessary on that it's created on the default version whenever we create a project. So after deleting this, I will create here the nav graph. So the navigation graph is being created over here. So what this navigation graph is, it contains all the like all the navigation part of the projects over here. So we created composable with I will give the name nav graph. You can give anything you want. So snap graph, then we'll create two files. One is home, another one is profile. So I'm giving two basic button and a screen with column, which will have one button from the home screen. On clicking that button, it will take us to the next screen, that is the profile screen. So it's a very basic, simple design to showcase just the navigation part. So here also will create this profile screen, uh, which will be also very basic, which will have only a text. Yeah, so the setup is done right now. And okay, so now I am creating a class which will be a sealed class. So this will contain the screen, the name of the screen, and the routing. So this will be a sealed class. I will use the keyword sealed, and it will take a route as a parameter, which will be of type string. So it's a val route, which will be of type string. So now I will use the keyword object and the name of the screen, and which will have return type screen, and we will pass the name of that as a key. So you can pass any name, but it's preferred to pass the name of the screen as a key. So here it's done right now. Yeah, the sale class is completed. So now we'll go back to the main screen, that is the main activity where I have created the nav graph composable function. So inside that we will create the destination and all other navigation related stuffs. So first we'll start with declaring a nav controller, which will have remember nav control. So this is what remember nav controller. So now I will use nav host, which will take nav controller. Will pass the nav controller. I don't need this one. I need destination. Start destination. Yeah, this one. So in the start destination, I will pass the home route. So that will the home screen will be the main screen. So it will take screen.home.route, and then we'll use the function which will called composable. Inside that we'll pass the same thing, screen.home.route, and the name of the screen, and we'll pass the nav controller, because this nav controller will be necessary to when the button on click function will be called. So now it will be in red because I haven't used haven't given the argument inside the home screen. And then I will mention another composable function, and inside that I will mention the profile screen. So it will go on if there are more screen also. So now we'll go and mention the argument, which will be nav controller, and it will take nav controller. So yeah, this one. And now on the button on click function, we will use this nav controller to navigate to the profile screen. So this will be the syntax: snap controller.navigate screen.profile.route. So if I run this application, you will see it won't run because I haven't used the nav graph in the main function. So now it will run. Yeah, so the button is there. So on clicking the button, it will take us to the profile screen where there is this profile is mentioned. So it's done right now. So now if we need to pass the data from one screen to another, so what we will do? So here I have a screen which have a edit text and a button. So on entering some data in the edit text, on clicking the button, that data will be showcased on the next screen, that is the profile screen. So first what we'll need to do is this in seed class we need to do nothing, and we have to go to the main activity where I have mentioned the nav graph composable function. Inside that, the screen that I am going to send the data, that is the profile screen. Here I am going to send the data to the profile screen. So go to the composable where the profiles is screen route is mentioned, that is this one, and you can write this way. This is what will happen. So we'll pass the name of the parameter we are trying to get, and then we will use the parameter, and I will take it dot argument, like it is a string, so get string and pass the key. So over there is a key, and here there is a, we are extracting this get string from the key, and name it is reference to the nav abstract which is over there. Now we need to pass this name inside the profile screen. So we did that. After that we will keep the argument inside the which will be a name of type string, and now we can use the name, and the name will be shown over there. So let's modify this and throw a little bit visible way so it can look little nice. So in the middle the data will be showcased. So I'm giving vertical arrangement and horizontal alignment. After that, in the inside the text I will pass the name parameter. So yeah, now I have to go back to the home screen, and on clicking the button I have to pass the name, that is from the text edit, sorry, text field. Yeah, from the text field I will take the name and I will pass it to the nav controller. So the way we did nav controller previously, it's the same way, just I need to have make a path. So we'll put in a double quotation mark, and then we'll use the dollar sign first to provide the screen routing, the screen that is the seed class screen, and then the name of the screen, profile, and route. After that we will pass the parameter. So now it will be working fine. Yeah, so you can see once I enter any data, it will be showcased in the next screen. Yeah, so there are many other ways to pass data. This is just the simplest way which can get you started. So yeah, that's it in this video. Thank you.